Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie, and I'm so happy you are here today.
Hi, friends. I'm Paul. Charlie, can you believe a new year is coming soon?
I know, time flies. It makes me think, what if 2026 becomes a game changer year for us?
That sounds exciting, but also scary. Many people say, next year, I will change, but nothing happens.
That's true. I feel the same sometimes. We make big plans, then we feel tired or afraid.
Yes, fear stops many dreams, but change does not start next year. It starts today.
Exactly. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a small first step. For example, learning English.
Right. If you study English for just 15 minutes a day, your life can slowly change.
I remember when I started, I made many mistakes. I felt shy.
Me too. But mistakes are not enemies. They are teachers.
That's a great point. In 2026, don't wait for motivation. Build habits.
Simple habits. Wake up early. Read one page. Learn 5 new words. Speak one sentence.
And be kind to yourself. Some days are hard. That's okay.
Yes, progress is not fast every day, but it is real.
Also, change your mindset. Say, I am learning, not I am bad.
Words are powerful. When you change your words, you change your life.
So, friends, if you want 2026 to be different, start now. Start small. Stay consistent.
Believe in yourself, even when no one else does.
Your future is built by what you do today, not tomorrow.
Take one step today, and tomorrow will follow.
Thank you for learning with us. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment.